I think my unit might be damaged. As you can see, even there's small dent on the back side. I need to apply for the replacement as well for the Realme Pad Mini. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and initial impressions review on the Realme Pad Mini. Yes friends, finally I did receive my Realme Pad Mini which I ordered in the Flipkart website. And right now I do have the Realme Pad with me, so which is the 10-inch tablet, and I do have the Xiaomi Pad 5 also. So definitely I'll be uploading a lot of videos on this particular tablet segment. So stay tuned for those more updates. In case if you're interested, let me know in the comments. Right now this tablet is going on selling the Flipkart website as well, so for a very huge discount as well, I would definitely say that. So the starting variant of this Realme Pad, which starts around 8,999 rupees exactly friends, for the 3GB RAM version, so which is really fantastic deal I would say for this kind of tablet. So let's see the initial impressions, how the tablet gonna be there, and I'll try to explain to you clearly what is my variant, what I did ordered. So finally friends, it is a Realme Pad Mini which I got right now. As you can see, this complete box is less than the size of this Realme Pad tablet, if you try to notice exactly. As you can see, it's completely less. So definitely friends, it's going to be really like good form factor I would say regarding the 8-inch tablet. If you want to have not the big one, if you want to have the small one, then this might be another good tablet for you. Let's do the quick unboxing of this Realme Pad Mini at this moment right now. So there is no seal again in the bottom, so you just need to take out this one. So let me to see. Let's see friends whether we will be getting any kind of screen guard with the tablet or not, and what are the contents we do get in the box. So that's what I'm going to discuss exactly in this video. So this video will be just an initial impressions only. Again, I'll try to upload the separate videos later on after reviewing the tablet. And final friends is a Realme Pad Mini which I got. Wow, that looks really good I would say, definitely regarding the color and everything. This is a blue color variant which I did order right now exactly, which is not bad. I think my unit might be damaged. As you can see, even there's small dent on the back side. I need to apply for the replacement as well for the Realme Pad Mini. You can clearly see here there's a small dent which is present on the back side of the tablet. Exactly, I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it or yes, exactly in this place I can feel that kind of dent little bit. I think this might be damaged, so I'll definitely apply for the replacement and I'll try to be back. So let's see friends what are the box contents inside the Realme Pad Mini we can actually get here. So there is nothing inside, and there is Realme Pads, small covers and everything. I think here there should be charger and the cable, I guess. Let me take out this charger and the cable. They should be inside. So yes, so both together, charger and the cable we got inside the box itself. So which is a 18 watts charger the tablet has got exactly regarding the specifications. And right now I do have the SIM card pin. The main reason is because this is a 4G variant which I ordered. So 4G variant for about 12,000 rupees I got for this price. That's really good deal I would say friends for this kind of mini tablet. In case if you want to have the single hand usage tablet, that will be really good. So let's check what is the weight of this tablet exactly right now out of the box. It's about 370 grams, the tablet weight. Not bad regarding the overall weight and form factor. That's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick unboxing and initial impressions about this Realme Pads. Overall it feels pretty good I would say regarding the tablet, and only apart from this small dent, everything is pretty fine in this device. So regarding the specifications, the tablet has got the Unisoc 616 processor which is present here, as you can clearly see friends, and with the 8.7 inch screen size. Apart from that, the battery size is of 6400 milliamp of battery capacity and 18 watts charger as well the tablet has got. You can clearly see friends, an ultra slim profile. So regarding the specifications, definitely for this kind of price, for this 9,000 rupees, in case if you're planning to buy the 3GB RAM variant, that will be really great. If you want to buy the 12GB RAM version also will be good, the high-end model. The main reason is because right now I do have the Realme Pad and Realme Pad Mini with the same 4GB and 64GB variants. That's the main reason why I thought of ordering exactly same variants, so I can actually compare both tablets side by side regarding the performance and everything. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and definitely the build quality feels really good. So in case if you are ordering for 9,000, that will be really good deal for the Realme Pad Mini overall. I'll be able to exactly switch on first. Let's see whether the tablet is actually turning on or not, because there's a damage right on the back side. That's the main reason. So at least right now it's turning on, not bad. I think there should be some kind of power inside. And anyway, that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below regarding this tablet if you have any other doubts. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more videos, and bye. And one more final note, there is no screen guard protector for this device. Yes, there is no screen guard. You need to buy it separately. So I wish they could have included the built-in screen protector. That will be really great, but that's not the case. So you need to buy separately again the screen guard. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay tuned for more updates and bye.